Welcome to Explain the Charts, where we break down the market's mysteries, one chart at a time. Today, September 18th, 2024, we're diving into Intel Corporation, the iconic chipmaker, and dissecting its stock performance. Let's start by examining the latest news headlines, gauging market sentiment, and identifying potential catalysts for INTC's price movements. Recent news reports highlight Intel's renewed focus on artificial intelligence, securing partnerships with giants like Amazon Web Services, a move that has injected renewed optimism into the company's future. Intel's foray into AI chipmaking, coupled with government funding through the CHIPS Act, signals a strategic shift towards a burgeoning market, potentially driving significant growth in the coming months. While Intel has faced challenges in recent years, these strategic initiatives demonstrate its commitment to innovation and regaining its leadership position in the semiconductor industry. Looking beyond the headlines, let's turn our attention to the Intel chart, dissecting its price patterns and identifying key levels to watch. First, let's zoom out to the one-day chart to gain a broader perspective on INTC's recent price history. The one-day chart showcases a clear upward trend, particularly over the past few months, indicating a bullish sentiment. Notice the recent surge in price, particularly after the news of Intel's AI partnerships and government funding, a trend that mirrors the positive market sentiment. Looking at the candlestick patterns, we observe a series of green candles, confirming the prevailing bullish momentum. However, it's crucial to remember that even in a bullish market, volatility exists and pullbacks are inevitable. Observing the support and resistance levels, we can identify potential areas where price might consolidate or reverse. A strong support level exists around the 35 to 40 price range, a level that has held firm during previous dips. Meanwhile, resistance is emerging at the 45 to 50 price range, a level that has previously capped price gains. The recent break above the 40 price range is a positive sign, suggesting potential for further upside, but we must remain vigilant for any signs of bearish reversal. Now, let's dive deeper into the one-hour chart, examining the shorter-term price fluctuations. The one-hour chart unveils a more dynamic picture, highlighting the intraday volatility that can present both opportunities and challenges for traders. Notice the recent sharp price increase, a clear response to the positive news about Intel's AI initiatives, underscoring the importance of staying informed about current events. Analyzing the candlestick patterns, we observe a mix of green and red candles, indicative of the frequent price shifts within the one-hour timeframe. Identifying key support and resistance levels within the one-hour chart is essential for intraday trading. A strong support level emerges around the 20 to 22 price range, an area that has proven resilient during previous price dips. Resistance is observed at the 25 to 27 price range, a level that has repeatedly capped price gains. Breakouts above resistance or breakdowns below support can signal potential for significant price movements, necessitating careful observation and strategic decision-making. To gain an even more granular perspective, let's scrutinize the 15-minute chart, where we can pinpoint the most recent price action. The 15-minute chart reveals the rapid fluctuations in price, showcasing the dynamic nature of the market within this timeframe. Analyzing the candlestick patterns, we observe a mix of green and red candles, indicative of the frequent price reversals and short-term opportunities. Within the 15-minute chart, it becomes essential to identify support and resistance levels, which can serve as indicators of potential price direction. A support level is observed at the 19 to 20 price range, an area that has held firm during previous price dips. Resistance is observed at the 22 to 23 price range, a level that has previously capped price gains. Traders often utilize these levels to determine entry and exit points, seeking to capitalize on short-term price movements. While the 15-minute chart offers valuable insights, it's crucial to remember that these short-term fluctuations can be influenced by a variety of factors, including news releases, market sentiment, and technical indicators. Now, let's revisit the one-day chart, focusing on the recent price action surrounding the news about Intel's AI partnerships and government funding. Observe how the price surged, forming a series of green candles after the announcement, a clear indication of the market's positive response. This surge in price highlights the potential impact of news events on short-term price movements, underscoring the importance of staying informed about industry developments. However, it's crucial to recognize that this price spike might be a short-term phenomenon, and the market may eventually adjust to the news, potentially leading to consolidation or even a correction. In conclusion, Intel Corporation's stock, Intel, presents a compelling opportunity for investors seeking to capitalize on the burgeoning AI market. The recent news about Intel's AI partnerships and government funding has created a positive market sentiment, driving price gains. However, it's crucial to acknowledge that the market is dynamic and prone to volatility. Traders must remain vigilant and observe key support and resistance levels, particularly at the 35 to 40 range for the one-day chart and the 20 to 22 range for the one-hour chart, to make informed trading decisions. Breakouts above resistance or breakdowns below support can signal potential for significant price movements, necessitating careful observation and strategic decision-making. The 15-minute chart offers valuable insights into short-term price fluctuations, but it's important to note that these movements can be influenced by a myriad of factors. As we move forward, it's essential to continue monitoring the news surrounding Intel's AI initiatives, government funding, and overall industry trends, as these developments can significantly influence INTC's price action. Furthermore, we must pay close attention to the candlestick patterns, support and resistance levels, and technical indicators to make informed trading decisions, whether seeking short-term gains or long-term investments.